You keep hearing about blockchain, crypto, and Web3, and it sounds like something only tech bros understand. But what if I told you it's just like tracking who bought groceries? Imagine you and four friends. Every time someone buys something, you all write it down. Everyone has the same record, so no one can lie. But if someone tries to cheat, their page won't match the others. Boom. Caught. That's how blockchain works, but on computers. Everyone sees the same thing, and once it's locked in, you can't change it. That's the block in blockchain.
It all started with a simple record, but with blockchain, that record becomes secure, shared, and locked in forever. Okay, now that we kind of get how blockchain works, let's talk about what it actually does. Real-world stuff, like money, art, even snacks. You ready? Crypto can work like regular money. You tap your phone and boom, soda bought. No bank, no middleman. Sometimes crypto works when cash or banks don't. It confirms instantly. No need to wait for your bank to say yes. Okay, now let's talk more real-world uses, like how blockchain is changing art. Yep, even digital paintings. Blockchain lets artists prove ownership. It's like a digital signature no one can fake. Try to fake it, and boom, the blockchain exposes you. And the best part? Artists get paid instantly. No middlemen. From galleries to screens, art is evolving, and blockchain is part of the canvas. And this is just the beginning. Art, identity, money. It's all being rewritten, block by block.